Welcome back to CarWow 787. If you're passionate about diesel engines and the powerhouse technology behind semi-trucks, you're in the right place. We dive deep into engine comparisons, trucking tech, and everything that matters to owner-operators and fleet managers alike. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Now, let's get into today's in-depth comparison. The legendary Caterpillar 3406 versus the modern Paccar MX-13 engine. These two engines have shaped the trucking industry in very different eras, but both have left an indelible mark on heavy-duty trucking. Starting with the Caterpillar 3406, this engine has a long history of durability and power. Introduced in the mid-1980s, the 3406 quickly earned a reputation as a workhorse that could handle some of the toughest hauling jobs. Its displacement is 14.6 liters, and depending on the model year and configuration, it produced anywhere from around 350 to 600 horsepower, with torque figures often exceeding 1,850 pounds-ft. The 3406 was available in several Series B, C, E and later U, with each bringing improvements in fuel injection and emissions compliance over the years. One of the most notable characteristics of the 3406 is its robust build quality. Caterpillar designed it with a compacted graphite iron block and forged steel crankshaft, making it heavy but extremely durable. This engine is well known for its ability to run for hundreds of thousands of miles with proper maintenance. Many owner-operators still speak highly of the 3406 for its reliability and simple mechanical design compared to newer engines packed with electronics. Fuel delivery on the 3406, especially in earlier versions, used mechanical injection systems. Later UE electronic unit injection versions introduced better fuel economy and emissions control but still lagged behind the latest common rail systems. The 3406 engines are relatively heavy compared to modern engines, with dry weights often over 2,700 pounds, which impacts payload capacity. Emission standards were a challenge for this engine as regulations tightened, and eventually, Caterpillar exited the on-highway engine market in the early 2010s, but the 3406 remains in use on many trucks today because of its proven reliability. On the other side, we have the Paccar MX-13. Introduced in 2007 by Paccar, the MX-13 quickly became a leading choice for Kenworth and Peterbilt trucks in North America. With a displacement of 12.9 liters, it's a bit smaller than the 3406, but it's packed with modern technology to maximize power, fuel efficiency, and emissions compliance. The MX-13 engine produces a horsepower range from about 405 to 510 and torque ranging from 1,450 up to 1,850 pounds-ft, depending on the configuration and tuning. While its peak torque matches or slightly exceeds some versions of the 3406, the MX-13 is designed to deliver that torque more efficiently and with better throttle response. Its construction uses a compacted graphite iron block similar to the 3406, but Paccar engineered the MX-13 with weight savings in mind, weighing closer to 2,300 pounds dry. What truly sets the MX-13 apart is its advanced fuel system. It uses a high-pressure common rail fuel injection system with electronically controlled injectors. This system allows for multiple precise fuel injections per combustion cycle, improving fuel efficiency, reducing emissions, and enhancing performance. Combined with a variable geometry turbocharger, the MX-13 can adapt to a wide range of operating conditions, improving drivability. Emission-wise, the MX-13 was designed from the ground up to meet EPA 2010, 2013, and 2017 standards with selective catalytic reduction (SCR), diesel particulate filters (DPF), and exhaust gas recirculation (EGR) systems integrated seamlessly. The after-treatment systems on the MX-13 have seen constant refinements to reduce downtime and maintenance costs, which is a huge benefit for fleets concerned with uptime. The MX-13 also supports advanced telematics and diagnostic systems. Integrated with the truck's electronics, the engine can provide real-time performance data, predictive maintenance alerts, and over-the-air updates. This level of connectivity helps fleet managers reduce operating costs and plan maintenance proactively. Now, let's compare the two engines in several key areas. In terms of power and torque, both engines cover a wide range suitable for many heavy-duty applications. The The 3406 offered more maximum horsepower in some configurations, especially in its later models, but the MX-13 delivers similar torque with a more compact design and less weight. The lighter MX-13 helps improve payload capacity and overall fuel economy. Fuel efficiency is an area where the MX-13 clearly has an advantage. The common rail fuel system, combined with modern combustion chamber design and aftertreatment technology, allows the MX-13 to achieve better miles per gallon in real-world driving, especially on long-haul routes. The 3406, while durable, was never known for fuel economy, especially its older mechanical injection versions. When it comes to emissions, the MX-13 is in a different league. Caterpillar's 3406 was designed in a much less regulated era, and while later UI versions made improvements, it cannot meet today's strict emission standards without significant modifications. The MX-13, on the other hand, was designed to meet and exceed current EPA regulations and is ready for future standards.
Reliability and maintenance are more nuanced. The 3406's mechanical simplicity made it easy to repair in the field and kept many trucks running long after their warranty periods expired. Its heavy-duty build means it can handle rough treatment. However, it requires more frequent oil changes and mechanical maintenance compared to newer engines. The MX-13's advanced electronics mean that many repairs require diagnostic tools and sometimes dealer-level expertise. But it also benefits from longer service intervals, better oil life, and predictive diagnostics that reduce unplanned downtime. For fleet operators, this trade-off often favors the MX-13 due to reduced overall maintenance costs. Integration with the truck platform is another point of comparison. The 3406 was offered in many truck brands, but modern trucks have moved towards more integrated systems. The MX-13, developed by Paccar, is optimized for Kenworth and Peterbilt trucks, ensuring tight integration with transmissions, drivetrains, and electronic controls, resulting in a smoother driving experience and improved overall efficiency. Let's also talk about longevity. Many 3406 engines have logged over 1 million miles with rebuilds and proper care. They have a strong fan base among owner-operators who prefer a tried-and-true engine. The MX-13 is younger, but has already proven itself in thousands of trucks with reliable performance. The combination of advanced materials and electronics is pushing engine lifespans longer with less effort. Price and total cost of ownership are essential for anyone choosing between these engines. Since the 3406 is no longer in production, parts and expertise can be harder to find, and used engines vary widely in price depending on condition. The MX-13, as a current production engine, benefits from widespread dealer support, warranty coverage, and readily available parts. While the upfront cost of a new MX-13 may be higher than buying a used 3406, the fuel savings, emissions compliance, and reduced downtime often offset this difference over time. In conclusion, the Caterpillar 3406 represents a classic era of diesel trucking, rugged, simple, and reliable. It's a favorite for those who value mechanical simplicity and proven durability. The Paccar MX-13 embodies the future of trucking, cleaner, smarter, and more efficient with integrated electronics and emissions technology. Your choice between these engines depends largely on your priorities. If you need a proven, robust engine for vocational or specialized uses where simplicity matters, the 3406 remains a strong contender. But for long-haul, fuel savings, and emissions compliance in today's regulated environment, the MX-13 is the better option.